Hello, my name is Ivan Vivas, and I have been asked to prepare a short video as part of the registration process as a casual academic for the UTS. There are three questions, and the first one is, tell us about the practice have you experienced in your class that are important for student learning. Well, probably the most important as far as I'm concerned is group work. I believe that getting the students to work in groups, if handled effectively, can provide a productive learning ground, and I have seen this happen firsthand as a tutor. I see myself as a facilitator when managing groups in a tutorial. I'm aware of the need we tutors have to understand fundamentals of human social behavior and cross-cultural differences. It is essential to be a good listener, and as such, we need to put into practice well-known techniques such as empathy, good eye contact, things like paraphrasing, for example, comes to mind and needs to be applied when required. Tutors also need to put and make good use of audiovisual techniques to procure students with the appropriate and easy to understand textual, diagrammatic, pictorial, and graphical data. I can make references available upon request for colleagues that will support me and give a good word of my work at UTS as they have seen me in action. The second question is, tell us about what have you noticed about students' behavior in classes where learning is not engaging well. I've seen this happen before, and I believe that the main reasons why this can happen is that, in my opinion, students actually need to do quite a bit of tutorial pre-work. For students to engage in a tutorial, they need to build up an expectation, and in my experience, a number of students tend to do the very minimum, if at all, to prepare for tutorials unless the question, what's in it for me, can be effectively answered beforehand. So procuring an incentive to prepare has worked for me in the form of marks given for preparation work. The students who prepare well before a tutorial will engage much better than those who don't. I've experienced this on both sides. Classes that actually do not require major preparation that will be marked, as opposed to those that will be marked. The differences are incredible. On the tutor's side, well, unless the coordinator provides an effective guide with proper structure to conduct those tutorials, tutors may find themselves in a very difficult position to engage with students. In fact, some of these issues that the two that I just mentioned are or have been dealt with in response to student feedback. Third and last is, there anything that you changed in your teaching approach based on SFS results? Well, certainly I have. On the one hand, I've been really lucky that I have had some good responses from students, but also from them I have learned to improve my facilitation. And an example can be what we mentioned before when working in groups. I have been able to learn techniques to randomly form groups in tutorials, and it provides the opportunity for multidisciplinary and cross-cultural groups to interchange information, increasing the likelihood of successful engagement and effective tasks completion. Well, these are the three questions answered. Thank you for your attention.